Hey guys, AngryRagtimer here, and welcome to my backyard. We've put down track. This is not the permanent track, but this is our first test runs on the Garden Railroad bed. Just have a bit of a small loop. The rest of it's not being utilized yet, but it's good enough weather that we decided to get the trains out, do a little bit of testing, and see how it is. A little windy today, but we have our Accucraft 260, which I believe is based off the Nevada County narrow gauge 260s, and it's currently firing up with just under 50 pounds on the glass. Have a little two-car train behind it, and some buildings, and we're gonna run this a little bit and see how it does. It's gonna force out some water in the thing, and then we'll be okay.